Hey everyone, this is David from Benchmark. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can label a point in MSCAD with the northing and easting or the lat long of that point. You can see here on my screen I got just a quick little layout of our parking lot here. And now if I wanted to just label one of these points with the northing and easting, I'm just going to go to this MS Annotate tab up top. And I go over here to label point. Now you can see this little drop down on the side. I can choose either the label of a northing and easting or I can add a lat long label. So I'm going to do northing and easting. And then I'm just going to choose this gate point that we have. Now once I've chosen the point, I just choose the start point of where I want the label to be at, and then I can either click and drag a rotation angle or I can just type it. So I'm just going to type 0 because I want the angle I want them nice and readable off to the side. And you can see it gives me my northing and easting. Now if I want to do a lat long, I just click on that drop down, I click on latitude and longitude, and it's going to make sure that I have the right coordinate system here. Now I am in UTM zone 11, UTM 83 zone 11. It tells me what my lat long were. I can edit those if I'd like, but I'm just going to hit OK. And again, I choose the point, I choose where I want the label, and then I just give it the orientation. I'm again just going to type 0. Right there, now I have a latitude and longitude as well. That's all for today's video. If you have any questions or you'd like something specific in the next video, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you like our content, feel free to subscribe, get notifications when we have new videos, and go ahead and like the video. If you have any questions at all, feel free to give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or you can visit us on the web at www.bench-mark.ca. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.